Alright, in this video we're going to be reflecting figures across horizontal and vertical lines. So let's take a look. So here, I want to reflect this figure across the x-axis. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of draw in my line of reflection, which is kind of already there, but just so that they're all the same. And then just map out the points individually. Well, u and x are both on the line of reflection, so they don't really move. But v, so count spaces down to the line, 1, 2, 3, 4, so its reflection will be 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. And there's v prime. And w is 1, 2 spaces from the line of reflection, so its image will be 1, 2 spaces on the other side. And then from there we just kind of connect them in the right order. Like that, like that, like that. Let's take a look at another one. Here we're reflecting across the y-axis, so first I'm just going to draw in that line of reflection, and then we just count how many spaces is each figure from the line of reflection. So x is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the other side for its reflected image, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's w prime. Let's just go ahead and connect those right away. V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To v prime, connect that one, and then y is 1, 2, so 1, 2 over here. So that's y prime. Just connecting the last line. Done. Here we're reflecting across the x-axis. So let's see. I don't want to draw in my line of reflection. So let's see, f is 1 space away, so its reflection goes over here. G is 1, 2, 3, 3, so 1, 2, 3 on the other side for G prime. Go ahead and connect those. H is 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3 on the other side for H prime. And I is 1, 2, so 1, 2 in the other direction for I prime. Just connect them all up, and we're done. Let's see. Here we're reflecting across the y-axis, so we'll go ahead and draw that in. So let's see. W is 1 space away, so its reflection goes 1 space on the other side. V is 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side to V prime. And U is 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 to U prime. And then just connect them on up. Done. Reflection across the y-axis. First I'm going to draw in my line of reflection right here. So let's see, U is 1 space from the line of reflection, so U prime over here. T is also 1 space, so T prime goes over here. V is 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3 in the other direction for V prime. And W is 2. So 2 on the other side for W prime, and then we just go ahead and connect them like so. Okay, now finally we have one where it's not an axis. So here y equals 1, so you go to the y-axis, mark 1, draw a line that goes right through there. That's the line y equals 1. Q is 1 space away, so Q prime is 1 space in the other direction. R is 2 spaces, so R prime. 2 spaces in the other direction. P is 1 space, so P prime, 1 space in the other direction. And then we'll just go ahead and connect them. All right. Here we're reflecting across the line x equals 1. Go to the x-axis. Mark this, -1. Sorry. Over here. And then draw a line that cuts through the axis at that point. L is 1 space away, so 1 space in the other direction for L prime. K is 2 spaces, so 2 spaces in the other direction. And let's just go ahead, I'm going to connect those right now. J is 2 spaces, so 2 spaces in the other direction for J prime. And M is 1 space, so 1 space in the other direction for M prime. You connect them up and you're done. See reflection across the line x equals 2. Go to the x-axis, mark 2, draw a line that cuts right through that point. Q is 1 space away, so 1 space in the other direction for Q prime. P is 1 space away, 1 space in the other direction for P prime. R is 3 spaces away, so 3 spaces in the other direction for R prime. And S is 3 spaces, so 3 spaces in the other direction for S prime. See, and then just connect them. And we're done. Awesome. Here, reflecting across the line, x equals 3. Mark 3 on the x-axis and draw a line that just goes through there. M is 1 space away, so M prime is 1 space in the other direction. K is 2 spaces away, so K prime is 2 spaces in the other direction. We'll go ahead and connect those right now. L is a space away, so L prime is a space in the other direction, and then just connect them all up and you're done. Reflecting across the line, y equals 1. Go to the y-axis, mark 1, and then draw a line that cuts right through there. H is a space away, so H prime is 1 space in the other direction. G is 3 spaces, so 3 spaces for G prime in the other direction. F is 3 spaces, so 3 spaces for F prime in the other direction. And then we just go ahead and connect them on up. Good. X-axis. Oh. There you go. There's the x-axis. R is a space away, so R prime, space in the other direction. Q is right on the line, so Q prime goes right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect those. P is 4 spaces away, so P prime, 4 spaces in the other direction. And then, see, S is 4 spaces away, so S prime, 4 spaces in the other direction. And we're done. Reflection across the line, x equals 1. Mark 1 on the x-axis. Draw a line that cuts right through there, perpendicular to it. C. U is a space away, so U prime, space in the other direction. S is 3 spaces away. S prime, 3 spaces in the other direction. T is 2 spaces away, so T prime, 2 spaces in the other direction. And we just go ahead and connect them up, and we're done. So overall, the procedure is drawing the line. If it's x equals something, of course, if it's the x or y axis, there's the x-axis, there's the y-axis. If it's x equals something, then you just mark that number on the x-axis and draw a line that cuts through it, perpendicular. If it's y equals something, then you just mark that point. Maybe it's y equals -3 or y equals 5. Right? Mark that point on the y-axis, and then draw a line that cuts through that, perpendicular to the axis. And then just count spaces from each point to the axis, and then its reflected image will be that many spaces on the other side. All right? Good luck.